Hello everyone, this is me calling from the mothership. I'm here with Mr. Spocky. Today is the 9th day until the general election, so be sure you get out there and vote. Today I'm going to make a simple meal that's going to be very, very cheap. We're going to be making potato cheese tacos. You're going to use potatoes, of course, cheese, and tortillas. It's a very expensive meal to make, and I used to stay with a guy, Mexican friend of mine, and he fed his entire family every day just like this because he was saving up to buy a house. So you might want to check it out, try it out. I was surprised on how much little it took to feed a big family, and in these times, that's exactly what we need. So let's come along and let's show you how I make this dish. So I went to my local market and picked up a packet of white corn tortillas. They're $1.69. A five-pound bag of russet potatoes. They were $2.99 each. And some Mexican style 4-cheese blend. They were $3.99 each with the club card. Okay, what you're gonna need for this is some white corn tortillas. I'm using the small ones here, or sort of medium ones that they use at a lot of the food trucks. You're gonna need one potato. I'm using a russet Idaho. And you're gonna need some cheese. I chose to get the Mexican style 4 blend. And that's pretty much it. You can cut up your potato any way you like, but I'm actually gonna use this device here, and I'm gonna make it thinner. I don't know if I wanna go with the type of potato strings or not. Let's see how it goes. But when I found out that if you're going to use this thing, sometimes it's easier to cut your potato in half, like so. It makes it easier to grip. I'm just going to put out some. Careful with your fingers because these things are typically very sharp, and they will cut your finger the same way as cutting this potato. So just be careful. My second one here. Pick one of these up at a 99-cent store. I've had mine a long time, so anywhere they have any cooking supplies, they're not that expensive. They pay for themselves if you use them a lot. Short period of time. Okay, and my potatoes. You see right there. It's actually more than enough that I'm gonna need, so you can see how one potato can stretch. I'm only gonna make 2 tacos right now, so you can see how that basically a meal within itself. Okay, we're at my skillet with a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going like medium heat here, medium high heat. So I'm gonna be cooking my potatoes. Wait for the oil to get hot there. So I'm not gonna only gonna make 2 tacos, so I'll have to use the whole potato. But if you're a family, I'm pretty sure you would use more than 2 potatoes, it's only 3 or 4 or 5. You can actually see how this meal can stretch. You can also probably get pre-cut hash brown type potatoes, which probably work the same. My tortilla, I lay it on the flame. This, it kind of cooking there. Okay, now that you have your tortilla all cooked, take your potatoes, that, do some cheese. A little hot sauce. Yeah. Let's put it.